Hello, everyone. Welcome to iTech TV. Today, I want to show you how you can easily turn off your check engine lights on Toyota Tundra. I'll be using 2014 model today. Yeah, and I'm very sure this logic is applicable to most Toyota Tundras. Truck, apart from truck, I'm sure also it can work for most of Toyota cars. Yep. So before we get it started, I would like to go out there to show you the exterior of the car, so that people that have something like this, let me turn off the engine, so that people that have something like this will know the exact truck we are talking about. Here we go. This is the front view of the car. If you have something like this logic will work for you. If you have something similar to these, I'm sure this logic will also work for you. This is a side view of the car. The door is partially open. Shut the door so you can see the exact shape. It is 2014 model. I'll take you all the way to the back view of the truck. This is the back view of the truck. And the other side view of the truck. Here we go. Let's get out of the car and the truck and get it started. Now, all you have to do now is to open your hood. Make sure this key is at the ignition. Yeah. Here we go. This is 4.6 liter engine, V8. It doesn't matter. Yours could be 4.5, 3. Whatever. It doesn't matter. So all you have to do is to come to the battery section here. I have an easy removable access. Yours might not be removable easily, but this is something you can just turn with the knob and then you take them off. If yours is not like this, all you have to do is to get a spanner to lose this and take up the clip. It doesn't matter you take both sides, no, but I think the most important part you can take, which I have done severally, is the negative side. So try to take off the battery clip. Make sure you just get the battery disconnected. That's all. Like this, it's been disconnected. Despite the clip is there, but it's no more connected to this cable. You see that? So make sure you get it disconnected. If you don't have something like this, if yours is totally attached to the battery clip, so all you have to do is to get a spanner, lose this side, and take off the clip entirely. So by doing that, to get the lights, the electricity disconnected permanently here, all you have to do is just to go to get back in the car and then try to turn on the ignition like you want to start the truck. As you can see, just do it like you were starting it. turning off, start it, turning off. Then after that, you can come back here and get the battery connected. You can see a little spark on it. That shows all the electricity, all the battery current is being disconnected from the system. That is why you see the little spark. So try to clip this one back appropriately. Like this, I don't have to use spanner. Yeah. And make sure it is tight. By the time you screw it, by the time you either you use spanner to lose it or tighten it, make sure it is properly tightened. And make sure the clip is tight to the battery terminal. Yeah. So that's all. You can show that and get back in the car. Now, look at this. That's how it will. Just to bring in back the current to the system. Then you turn it off. It happens like that on Toyota Tundra. Then you on it. You start it second time. Then look at it. The light is gone. It's as simple as that. The light is gone. And remember, anytime you take off battery terminal on Toyotas, either truck or cars or SUV, it doesn't matter. Even I think most Honda does the same thing. Yeah, most Honda does it also. So you have to reset your time and date. On radio, you have to reset your radio. The radio might probably work fine, but you have to reset maybe time and date and stuff like that. Like as you can see this one now, the radio here is gonna work, I'm very sure.
Ball news, he does join us. All right, so what's going on with this Durant thing as far as your fellas out there are concerned?
Yeah.
So all you have to reset is time and date. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if this video helps, try to hit on the subscribe button. Make sure you give us thumbs up on every of our video. Leave comments, ask questions, and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you once again, and have a great day.